Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Explorer backup camera. First, let's start with some basic checks. Always consult your owner's manual for specific troubleshooting guidance. Make sure your gear selector is fully engaged in reverse, as the camera only activates then. A quick clean of the camera lens can often resolve blurry images. Also, confirm your vehicle's battery has enough power, as low voltage can impact electronic functions. Next, we'll delve into the electrical system. Your Ford Explorer's backup camera relies on a steady power supply. Check your fuse box for any blown fuses. These are often the culprit. If you find one, replace it with a new fuse of the identical amperage. Carefully inspect the wiring harness leading to the camera for any damage or corrosion. Make sure all connections are snug and secure, as loose wires can interrupt the signal. Now, let's focus on the camera unit and display. If you've ruled out fuses and wiring, the camera itself might be the problem. If possible, test the camera with a different display to see if it works. If not, a replacement camera unit might be necessary. Also, check your infotainment screen for any software issues or display malfunctions. Sometimes, a simple system reset of the infotainment unit, as outlined in your owner's manual, can resolve display problems. Finally, knowing when to seek professional help is crucial. If you're not comfortable with electrical diagnostics or suspect a more complex issue, it's best to consult a certified Ford technician. They have specialized tools and expertise for intricate wiring or internal component failures. To prevent future problems, regularly clean your camera lens with a soft cloth. Also, avoid harsh chemicals, as they can damage the lens's protective coating.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.